Hello everyone, today we are talking about two companies making smart growth deals. Without further ado, let's get started. First company is ICRA Limited, which is one of the India's top credit rating agencies, and it is now focusing more on its loan-rating business to build a balanced revenue mix. Recently, it acquired Fintelix Private Limited for 217 crore rupees, adding regulatory reporting, risk analytics, and data platform capabilities, which are highly demanded by banks and NBFCs right now. The market reacted quickly with delivery volumes shooting up to 97% compared to 60% of its average. Financially, ICRA reported 136 crore rupees revenue in Q4 FY25, full year revenue at 498 crore rupees with 11.6% growth. EBITDA margins expanded to 58.5%, and full year net profit touched 171 crore rupees. Now, going forward, ICRA is focusing on ESG ratings and climate risk analytics, expanding its research into Southeast Asia and Middle East, and enhancing its early warning and stress testing systems. Now, moving forward to Talbot Automotive, which made gaskets, forgings, and rubber components. Recently, along with its joint venture, it secured 580 crore rupees worth of orders from both domestic and global OEMs, including 260 crore rupees in forgings, 290 crore rupees in EV focused cases in joint ventures, and 30 crore rupees of rubber joint ventures. Financially, Talbros made 827 crore rupees in revenue for FY25, 6.3% growth YOY. 147 crore rupees EBITDA with 17.4% margins and 94 crore rupees of net profit. In Q4 alone, net profit rose to 27 crore rupees. Looking ahead in the future, Talbos aims to touch 2,200 crore rupees in revenue by FY27, with exports rising to 33 to 34% and EV forgings growing at 60% CAGR. Both the companies are setting up themselves for strong strategic growth in the coming years. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and follow for more updates.